Alright, so the same lag which I complained about some time back has happened for the second time, and this is what it looks like. I have a defense lost, wherein I have lost the following troops. Let me show you what I have lost. This is the incoming attack from the enemy. And let me show you my lost defense is right here. So I have lost 77,000 ground troops, 119,000 siege machines, 200,000 range troops. Now this is what I have lost in the battle. And now when I check my alliance war, which is basically I have ghosted my troops, this is what it looks like. So dear server admins, this is the second video I am uploading about the lag issues that I have faced due to your game shortcomings. I'm going to take a photo of the report. I'll also take the photo of my troops lost in the report, so that you understand that where is the lag happening, and all these higher level players are dominating my killings because of your server lag. That is not a great thing, my dear friends. All the server managers, you need to really look at this, because the troops are ghosted and still I have lost them. It's a lag of the game that I'm facing right now. The ghosting is still visible with the troops that I lost. There is a batch which is still there in the game to play with, so I'm not done yet. But then such a huge loss is going to be a negative impact, because the K-33 just hit me and got a major troops. So you need to have a look at this, and please make sure that these issues can get sorted soon. Anyways, I'll still show you here. You can see, I want you to watch this part of the video. I'm going to spend 1000 gems for the attack to show you the attack of my troops. You see there's an attack happening. The troops are returning. The resources returned, but I don't have those troops. You see the magic that your game is doing right now. I want the attack. I'm getting an incoming attack as well. Look at this. Look at the lag that your server is giving me. I'm gonna head back to my base on my server, and I'm gonna send this report to you. I'm really trying hard to win the wings on the server, but due to all these lag issues and all, I am really losing the hope of even continue playing this game on the server. You need to really fix this. This is and on that, these ads of yours, these are the worst thing. Why do you have to put up ads in the middle of screen switches? Guys, come on, improve the game experience for players like me who are genuinely playing, and who are making YouTube videos and promoting you. Please do some justice to us.